कि हाफ ईयरली का पोर्शन क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा। ये अपोजिट में क्यों लगाते हो, दिखने के लिए?
मिरर हो रहा है, वो रिकॉर्डिंग होगा।
अच्छा, तो रियर व्यू से जो सब तुम
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग, यहाँ से पढ़ाई, यहाँ से रिकॉर्डिंग।
ऐसे में रिकॉर्डिंग हो जाता है।
हाँ, डबल
कैमरा रखे हो।
आई एम यूजिंग डबल मोबाइल।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, डबल मोबाइल।
वेल माय डियर फ्रेंड, the snake has fallen into the love of a mirror. Isn't it unique? Isn't it unique? Of course. If a man has some fascination, some charm, some affection, some attraction of the mirror, it quite natural. We love to see our personality. We love to observe the mirror. But here, a unique thing is that the snake has fallen. He start liking mirror. अब एक स्नेक जो है वो मिरर को पसंद कर रहा है, ठीक है। दिस इज द स्टोरी दैट इन द मिरर व्हाट ए थिंग यू आर सच ए टाइम। हैव यू एवर सीन ए डॉग, a bird, a cat, or a snake gazing into the mirror, looking into the mirror? When you see the mirror, what are the thoughts that comes to your mind? Of course, to look your appearance good, you go to the mirror. Your fashion, your dressing is not complete without the mirror. Because the last thing that you do, that you go before the mirror to see that how you are looking, how you appear. So your appearance matters most. And when you gaze into that mirror, when you see into that mirror, certain thought, what thought comes? A thought that, oh my God, I should look smart. The thought that you want to look smart. Now, what a bird look into the mirror, a bird, a dog. When a dog look into the mirror, he start barking. When the bird see into the mirror, he start hitting the mirror. Why? Because the same image, the bird thought that there is another bird into that mirror. The dog start barking. Why? He starts barking because the dog thought that it is the dog, another dog that is behind the mirror. Due to the image, due to the reflection, in fact it was his own reflection. But as a human being, we know that it is our reflection. But a dog, a bird, and animal does not know that it is our own reflection. So, now you will read the story that what is a snake? The snake and the mirror. I have already told you. Has a snake coiled itself around any part of your body? Here is a question. Have a snake coiled that is made circle? Coiled is what? That is made circle. Coiled. Coiled. That is making a round. Have you seen the mosquito coil? The mosquito coil, recall? So this is the question. Round any part of a full-blooded cobra. All of us are silent. The question came from the homeopath. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. We listened attentively as the doctor continued his statement. So the very day the doctor is the doctor, a homeopathic doctor is a storyteller. A homeopathic Pathic doctor. Is the storyteller. वो जो है storyteller, homeopathic doctor. He is the narrator, and the doctor is narrating, and how beautifully look at the adventure. He has created adventure in the very beginning of the story. See the adventure. Has a snake ever quarreled? So the very adventurous way of telling the story is being written. So, he said, we listen. What this question came from, the topic came where was discussing snakes. Full-blooded cobra. A snake that has surrounded your body, and it is not a simple snake, it is cobra, the most dangerous, the venomous, the poisonous snake, the most feared. We fear the cobra, it has wood. So no sooner did we see a snake like cobra, we immediately filled with a kind of a fear that you cannot think about and we cannot describe. So here the feeling. So the topic came when we discussing the snakes, and we listen attentively as the doctor continue with his tale. That is a tale, is a story. So I told you, a homeopath doctor is the storyteller. He is telling the story. Now come to the next. What he next? It was hot summer night. Here you see. What he said? That it was a hot summer night. When the story takes place in the summer. Hot summer night. कितना बज रहा था? 10 o'clock. About 10 o'clock. You see, it was a story about a hot summer that is happening at 10 o'clock. कितने बजे की रात की घटना है बेटा? कितने बजे की घटना है? प्लीज टेल मी. जल्दी बताइए. यस, द टाइम इज अबाउट 10 o'clock. 10 बजे की घटना है. 10 बजे की रात है. इट वॉज अ हॉट समर के पीरियड है कि जाड़े की रात है. जाड़े की रात है, ठीक है ना. जाड़े की रात, हॉट समर है. क्या है? गर्मी है. समर इज समर वेकेशन. सो दिस स्टोरी टेक्स इन ए विच सीजन? दैट इज द समर. समर सीजन की बात हो रही है. हॉट समर. इट वॉज अ हॉट समर नाइट अबाउट 10 o'clock. 10 बजे की रात की घटना है. सांप जो है वो पोएट के नरेटर के घर में आ जाता है। क्या आ जाता है? नरेटर के घर में सांप आ जाता है। ठीक है, नरेटर के घर में सांप का आना क्लियर है? ओके। यहां देख लीजिए कि इट वॉज ए हॉट समर नाइट अबाउट 10 o'clock, 10 बजे रात की घटना। नाइट, हाउ द स्नेक केम इन टू द, I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. The doctor, after having his meal, returned to his room. I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. What he did? Where he was? It was then the next thing was that. The next thing was that I had meal. I had my meal. Meal is the meal at the restaurant. Restaurant and return to home. And return to my home. Return to my home. Here you see. The doctor had, after having his meal, returned to his room. वो अपने कमरे में लौटा है। कहाँ लौटा है? He returned to his room after 10 o'clock. Then what happened? He heard a noise from above as I opened the door. As he opened the door, what he heard? He heard a noise, hissing noise. Hissing noise. You know, hissing of the snake. The sound was familiar one. The sound was familiar one. One could say that the rat and the eye shared the room. It was the sound of some rat that was trapped in the mouth of a snake. वो कॉमन फैमिलियर साउंड था जो रैट के इसमें होता था। कौन सा फैमिलियर साउंड था? वो रैट का फैमिलियर साउंड, द फैमिलियर साउंड ऑफ द रैट, द फैमिलियर साउंड ऑफ द रैट. I took out of my box a match and lighted the room. The room was dark. There was no light. So he takes out his matchbox and lighted the kerosene lamp, the laltane. The kerosene lamp, you might be aware about that. On the table. The house was not electrified. The house into which the doctor, the homeopathic doctor used to live, it was not having electricity, electrified. It was a small rented room. It was, what kind of room it was? What kind of a room it was? It was a small rented रूम. बहुत छोटा था. क्या था? स्मॉल रेंटेड रूम था. द रूम into which the doctor, the storyteller or the narrator used to live. It was a small rented room. कैसा रूम था? A small rented room था. It was a small rented room. The room into which the doctor used to live, was a small rented room having no electricity. Having no electricity. Okay? I had just set up a medical practice and my earnings were meager. The doctor, the homeopathic doctor, was not earning more than that. So I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase, along with some shirts and dhoti. That is the thing he used to wear. I also possessed one solitary black coat which I then was wearing. Here you see, the narrator was the narrator was a beginner, beginner था वो, beginner. So he was not earning much of that. ज़्यादा वो नहीं कमाता था. I took off my coat, black coat. What he did? He took off his black coat. White shirt, not so white waist with hung them. Opened the two windows in the room. It was outer room with one wall facing to the open yard. ये बाहर का रूम था. आउटर रूम बाहर के से जुड़ा हुआ. It was an outer room. So, it was an outer room. I opened the two windows in the room. It was an outer room with one wall facing 1 yard. 1 yard per 3. It had tiled roof with a long supporting gables, rested beam. Over a wall there was no ceiling. There was what is a gable? Here you see gable. You could see the gable. You see, this is see. This is called gable. Gable of the house. This is called gable. This part is called gable. This part is called gable. Oh, gable. Supporting gable rested the beam. There was no ceiling. There was a regular tariff of rats from the beam. The very beam, इस पर चूहे चलते थे. The very beam, ये चूहों का आना जाना लगा रहता था. Raided traffic. I made up my bed and pulled it close to the wall. I lay down but could not sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air, but the wind, God seems to have taken time off. Here in this paragraph, the narrator has described the weather condition. It was hot summer day and there was no wind at all. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. I opened the box beneath the table. Beneath means what? Under. Here you see. What he said, I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. Here I went back I went back into the room, and sat down. Sat down on the chair. Here you see, who is I? The narrator, the storyteller. I went back into the room into which he lived, and sat down on the chair. Where he sits? On the chair. What he did? I opened the box beneath the table and took out the box. एक बुक निकाला, द मेटेरिया मेडिका, वेरी फेमस बुक है ये मेडिसिन की. द बुक was Materia Medica. ये this is the book. The book he was reading. जिस किताब को वो पढ़ रहा था. The book he was reading. Okay. I opened it at the table on which there stood the lamp, a large mirror, a small comb lay beside the mirror. उस टेबल पर एक बड़ा मिरर था, कंघी पड़ी हुई थी. एक बहुत बड़ा मिरर था, लार्ज मिरर, and the comb was there. One feels tempted to look into the mirror when it is near one. जो भी उसके सामने होता था उस मिरर को देखना चाहता था. I took a look. In those days I was a great admirer of my beauty and believed in making myself look handsome. The narrator was young, so it is natural that we love the mirrors. Mirrors are the best friend of the young. He wants to look handsome, smart, and without mirror it cannot be completed. But old people, the people like us, we hardly care about the mirror because we know that nothing is going to change with the mirror. Of course, mirror is necessary, but somebody fall in the love of the mirror. They always look mirror more than 10 times or 20 times in a day. As he was unmarried also, and I was a doctor, so these are things that natural, that he was unmarried and he was what? दो अच्छी चीजें थी उसकी भाई. वो अनमैरिड था, डॉक्टर था, और स्मार्ट था. थ्री क्वालिटी देखिए क्या क्या था भाई उसका. देखिए हैंडसम, वो हैंडसम था, हैंडसम, अनमैरिड, और डॉक्टर था भाई. डॉक्टर here you see, these are the three qualities that he had. So I felt I had to make my presence felt. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair. बाल झाड़ते लगे, and just the parting so looked straight to the neat. And again I heard the sound from the above. फिर से मैंने आवाज सुनी. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made up an important decision. I would shave daily. And now the thin mustache looked more handsome. I was after all a bachelor, a doctor. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. Here you see, how fascinated, how charmed, how much the narrator was attracted with the mirror. Here by describing these things, here the narrator wants to hit upon that as a human being, we love mirror for these reasons. In fact, he is creating an atmosphere that how a snake has the similar approach as we have. As a human being, as a boy and girl, you have a quiet fascination, attraction for the mirror. It is quite natural. Why? Because you want you to make your presence felt. So here you see. So I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive. I made another earth-shaking decision. I will always keep the attractive smile on my face. To look more handsome, it was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor. So the narrator has beautifully, here the narrator has beautifully hit upon the quality, the human quality that we love the mirror. Mirror is what? Mirror is something that is very important in everybody's house. We cannot think of a house without a mirror. The very first thing that we think about, the mirror. Either small or big, it depends upon. So, dressing table is in fashion. Saving mirror is in fashion. So, we need to keep ourselves fit and smart. For that, mirror is required. So, this is natural. Now come to there again. I got up, paced down the room. Then another lovely thought struck. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money. कैसे लोगों से शादी करना चाहता है? ऐसी से जो डॉक्टर होगी, जिसके पास बहुत पैसा होगा, plenty of money. Here you see the rosy dreams. What he thought about, what he thinks about. What he said, that I would marry. I would marry. I would marry. I would get married. Married to a woman doctor, who had plenty of money. There you see, you may be laughing. The true picture, this very line is a true picture of Indian people. What the Indian people, particularly who hold good job, what they think about. This is a true picture of Indians. We think to marry a rich woman, we think about the dowry. Dowry is not your right, my dear friend. But we often think about dowry. A parents always think about dowry before marrying his daughter and son. This is a very poor thing. We should not accept dowry or we should not give dowry. But as you know, this is the very true picture of Indian people. Here you see a true picture of a youngster. It is every youngster's dream. Funny thing, it's a funny thing that you plan like that, so that the doctor is painting. And a good medical practice, she had to be fat or valid reason. If I made some silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. Here is the joke. फैट मोटी होनी चाहिए कि वो रन नहीं कर सके. क्यों? Here you see that if I make a mistake and needed to run away, she should not able to catch me. अगर मैं गलती करूं और भागने की जरूरत हो तो मैं आराम से भाग जाऊं. ठीक है ना? Plenty. Run away. So here, my dear friend, this is what is very important. Well, my dear friend, as I think the time is going to be up, if you have any query, today we have read the chapter The Snake and the Mirror, and still the snake has not appeared in the story. We are only reading about the doctor, his earnings, his living, and his dreams. How much he is fascinated about the mirror, why he wants to look handsome, pleasant, and what he usually call acceptable. He is very much worried about his appearance. So here, these are the things the narrator has discussed. Now, it is your time. If you want to ask, please ask. If you have any query, please. Yes, anybody has any query? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? 2 मिनट बच रहे हैं बेटा, जल्दी पूछ लीजिए. Only 2 minutes is left. If you have any query, please ask.